you're going to need olive oil, Roma tomatoes, Italian blended shredded cheese, a garlic blend like Mrs. Dash, and French bread. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. With a sharp knife, you're going to dice up your tomatoes. You're going to put them in a container and add a handful of shredded cheese along with the Mrs. Dash blend. You're going to seal the lid on tight and then you're going to shake it. This will give it that really nice coating. With a serrated knife, we're going to cut our French bread into slices. I like mine to be a little thick. Then we're going to brush on olive oil onto the surface of the bread. Then we're going to flip them over and do the exact same thing. Top with a layer of the shredded cheese. Then you're going to put your tomato mixture on top of that. You can pile it as high as you like. I like mine pretty high. Then top with another layer of shredded cheese and stick it in the oven. 7 to 10 minutes should be just enough time to get it golden brown and the cheese melted. This is a super simple recipe for those of you who love tomatoes. Did you like this video or have one you'd like to see us make? Go to Rian.tv or comment below. Also, don't forget to follow me to keep up with the newest episodes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Happy crafting!